Welcome this video. Gardening dog design for backyard. Transforming your backyard into a beautiful and landscape backyard. Outdoor space can be attached with one of the most timeless landscape material rock. Gardening rock design can only add structure, textile and convenience, but timeless with plants pathway add water functional. Whether your goat is to the create a modern, rustic and natural look rock after limited lost possibility for design. Let's explore how you can use gardening rock design to enhance your backyard and boost your home curb appear. Use rock in front yard landscape. Rock are versatile and natural aesthetic. Unlike much than request upkeep and lasting of year. Then also help and wike rock can various shape and size. Color allow you to trend a design to match your home style space. Allow each natural landscape. Another is centrability. Rock do need water replacement like original material. Then an also friendly way to create a same front yard with minimize main entrance. Type of rustic front yard gardening. Before start your design, it's enhanced to understanding the defined type of rock available. River rock, various those are idea for both and decoration area. area plants, long rock that are pair and natural structure in the yard. High weight and perfect and modern look. Gardening for smart area bed available in various color for a possibility finish. Convenient defined rock type can add various and textile to your landscape. Popular gardening rock design idea for river rock. Rock gardening tropical plants create a low water landscape by combining rock structure both as natural functional growing and smart possibility. This gardening fix functional is convenient and often a clean modern aesthetic. Rock part away spotted plants define away area in your front yard with spotted pathway. Add a pathway for the during to the front door. Give structure and invite guests in surrounding the part with smart plants or possibilities of the edge